With Vivi announcements, select users can share either on-screen text announcements or live video announcements to any display in your Vivi network. This feature must first be configured by IT administrators to use. Users can be granted different levels of permission for announcements. The announcer user permission level gives users the ability to send text announcements to any Vivi displays, including the entire organization. To allocate the announcer permission to a user, in Vivi Central, select Users from the left-hand menu. Scroll to find the user or use the search function at the top of the page. Select the name of the user. Select the Edit button in the upper right. Check the box next to Announcer, then scroll down to select Save Changes. Announcement groups are used to deliver text or video announcements to a specific group of Vivi displays. For video announcements, announcement groups are required, with specific users being granted permission to all appropriate announcement groups. To create a new announcement group, select the drop-down next to Announcements in the left-hand menu, then select Groups. Select Create Announcement Group in the upper right. In the pop-up, give the group a name, then select the locations or displays for the group. Once all required displays are selected, click Create. To give permission to make announcements to this group, select Permissions in the upper menu. Select Add Users in the upper right. In the pop-up, use the drop-down to choose the name of the presenter the permission will be given to. If needed, use the plus icon to add additional users, then select Submit to save. Once permissions have been given to users, announcements can now be made through the Vivi app or through Vivi Central. Please note that video announcements can only be made through the installed Vivi app, while text announcements can be made through the installed Vivi app, the Vivi web app, or Vivi Central. Refer to our videos on making announcements for more information on this process.